Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write and send a follow-up email in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Outlook web app where you can access all your email and calendar features. Once the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see your inbox and all your email folders displayed on your screen. Now, to write and send a follow-up email, you'll need to access your calendar first. Look at the left side of your screen where the quick access toolbar is located. You'll see several icons there, including mail, calendar, people, and more. Click on the calendar icon to switch to your calendar view. This is where all your scheduled appointments and meetings are stored, making it the perfect place to set up follow-up reminders. Once your calendar menu opens, take a moment to locate the specific appointment you want to follow up on. This could be a meeting, a client call, or any scheduled event that requires a follow-up action. When you find it, double-click on the appointment to open its details window. This window contains all the information about your event, including attendees, time, and any notes you've added. Inside the event window, look for the Reminder drop-down menu. You'll recognize it by the alarm clock icon, which is a standard symbol for reminders and notifications. Click on this drop-down, and you'll see several options appear. From these options, select Add Email Reminder. This feature is specifically designed to help you send automated follow-up emails tied to your calendar events. After selecting Add Email Reminder, a new email reminder window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure your follow-up message. Start by clicking the Add Email Reminder button, and a reminder field will appear. In this field, you can type your follow-up message exactly as you want it to be sent. Make sure to include all relevant details, action items, or questions you want to address in your follow-up. Next, you'll need to set the timing for when this follow-up email should be sent. Look for the Remind Me drop-down menu within this same window. Here you can choose from preset time options, or you can select the custom option if you want to send the follow-up email immediately. The custom option is particularly useful when you want the email to go out right away, including all the appointment details in the message. This ensures that your recipients receive the information while the meeting is still fresh in their minds. Once you've written your message and set your preferred timing, click the Save button to finalize your follow-up email. Outlook will now automatically send this email at the scheduled time you selected, taking the task completely off your plate. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated follow-up email in Microsoft Outlook, making it easier to stay on top of your communications without manual effort. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.